Hello students, this is Mrs. Merchant and I am introducing your video project and it's titled Responding to Art Through Collaboration, Tableau Video Project. And before I actually get into your video project, I just want to review the See, Think, Wonder method, which is a process for responding to art. And this is something that you've used to just really analyze artwork. So first we start off with the See component, which is your observation of an artwork, only factual information about what you observe. Then you move into the Think stage where you give your interpretation of an artwork based on your background knowledge, things that you know about the artist and the art style or movement. The final stage is your wonder statements, questions that you still have about the artwork or the artist's intent. Okay. And then also the background knowledge that we used before doing this video project. You guys in a previous lesson practiced the art of tableau vivant, which we know is a historic practice of acting out paintings through motionless poses. This is a kinesthetic activity that helps the viewer analyze the artwork through close examination of poses, expressions, the arrangement, and subjects within an artwork. And it's really just a fun way to interact with artwork and respond to it. You get to be dramatic, you get to collaborate with your peers, and really it helps you to look at the artwork in a different way than you would have if you were just giving a description of it. Okay, and so once we did our tableau vivants, we're using the art standard Anchor 4, which is to select, analyze, and interpret artistic work for presentation. So you all chose the artwork from a collection of images that I gave you. You were able to analyze that using See, Think, Wonder, and also interpret it. And then finally, in this video project, you are presenting or summarizing what you've learned. The objective for the assignment, it says students will be able to create a multimedia presentation that summarizes their artistic analysis of an artwork. And your technology standards. Students will contribute constructively to project teams, assuming various roles and responsibilities to work effectively toward a common goal. So within your groups, you had jobs such as a director, actors, and also a prop manager. And so using those jobs within your teams, you were all able to pose each other, you were able to work together to act out the painting, and then also find objects within the classroom to work as subjects that were in the actual painting. So for your collaborative video, you're going to be using the VoiceThread. Some of you may be familiar with this. Those of you that are not, it's a really fun application that has a lot of different features for creating slideshows and for creating videos. So your first goal is to upload your original painting and your group's tableau. After that, you're going to use the video feature to record a video discussing what you all see. So you'll talk about your observation for the original painting and also things that you noticed after creating your tableau. Maybe there were some hidden images or things that didn't really stand out until you closely examined the artwork. The next stage, you guys are going to use the audio recording to discuss what you think about the artwork. And I definitely want you to refer to background knowledge or information that you've learned about the painting, the artist, the time period, so that way your claims are supported. And the next stage, you're going to use the text feature to type out your wonder statements. So everyone within the group should have, after you've done your analysis, you should have written down different thoughts and questions that you had about the painting. And so that'll be something that you all can type up together. And then the final stage, you're going to publish your VoiceThread video, and then you're going to also view videos from other teams within the class and comment on what you think about their collaboration. So this is a great way to share what you guys have done so far. I'm super excited to see your final projects, and I definitely want you to have fun with this. See how creative you can be. All right.